Welcome to the Dental Hub. At the Dental Hub, we're committed to providing you with the most exceptional care in a compassionate and friendly atmosphere. Today we are going to know some interesting topics about dental health.
Instructions following complete dentures. After receiving complete dentures, it's important to follow these instructions for proper post-treatment care. Adaptation period. Understand that it takes time to adjust to wearing dentures. Initially, they may feel awkward or uncomfortable. Give yourself some time to adapt to the new sensation and practice speaking and eating with the dentures. Oral hygiene. Maintain good oral hygiene by cleaning your dentures and your mouth. Remove and rinse your dentures after meals to remove food particles. Brush your gums, tongue, and palate with a soft bristled brush every morning and evening. This helps stimulate circulation and keep your mouth clean. Denture cleaning. Clean your dentures daily using a denture brush and mild denture cleaner. Avoid using abrasive substances or toothpaste, as they can damage the denture surface. Follow the instructions provided by your dentist or denture specialist regarding the specific cleaning products and techniques recommended for your dentures. Handle dentures with care. When handling your dentures, do so over a folded towel or basin of water. This prevents them from breaking if accidentally dropped. Avoid using excessive force when inserting or removing them to prevent damage. Overnight removal. Remove your dentures before going to bed. This allows your gums and oral tissues to rest and promotes better oral health. Soak the dentures in a denture cleanser or water overnight to keep them moist. Denture adhesives. If necessary, if you're using denture adhesives, follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Apply the adhesive sparingly and evenly to the clean denture surface to enhance stability and retention. If you experience persistent discomfort or looseness, consult your dentist to ensure proper denture fit. Regular dental checkups. Continue to schedule regular dental checkups as recommended by your dentist. They will assess the condition of your dentures, check your oral tissues, and make any necessary adjustments to ensure proper fit and function. Dietary considerations. Initially, stick to a soft diet and gradually introduce harder foods as you become more comfortable with your dentures. Cut food into smaller pieces and chew slowly and evenly on both sides of your mouth. Avoid sticky or hard foods that can dislodge or damage the dentures. Maintain moisture. When you're not wearing your dentures, keep them moist by storing them in a denture soaking solution or water. This prevents them from drying out and warping. Be patient. Adjusting to dentures may take time, and speaking, eating, and overall comfort will improve with practice and patience. If you experience persistent discomfort or difficulty, contact your dentist for evaluation and potential adjustments. Remember, these instructions provide general guidance. Your dentist or denture specialist at the Dental Hub will provide you with personalized instructions based on your specific case. Follow their guidance closely, attend follow-up appointments, and reach out to us, Dental Hub, if you have any questions or concerns during your denture wearing experience.
Thanks for watching. We at the Dental Hub strive to treat you with best possible way because your smile is our milestone. Hit the follow and subscribe button.